Looking for a legit income you can do online this lockdown? Here's the perfect job for you. I highly recommend Appen, where I am an agent myself. Here's my proof of earning from Appen deposited to my Payoneer account for the month of April. Appen is an artificial intelligence company that delivers innovative products and improves user experience with large volumes of reliable training data. What kind of works are available in Appen? 1. Search media evaluation. It's one of my jobs as an Appen agent. Here, you will be asked to rate 30 ads per day for 5 days a week in your Facebook for an hour. It costs $3 per hour. The basic requirements of being a search media evaluator is to have a Facebook account with 25 friends and having a device that you'll use to work the task. 2. Translation. In this project, you are required to translate a given language to the other language. For example, sentences from Filipino to English language. This project costs $1 per task. 3. Transcription. In this project, you will be listening to audio files and categorizing them following the provided guidelines and conventions. This project costs $1.05 to $2.05 an hour depending on the task. 4. Survey and data collection. These are short projects that last from 15 minutes to 3 hours. This task often costs $3 per hour. 5. Linguistic Specialties. This include projects related to text-to-speech, computational, phonetics, pronunciation, annotation, etc. These tasks are only limited to linguist as their basic qualification. 6. Lexicon Annotation. In this micro-task, you need to mark other languages different from the target language. A successful candidate needs prior text annotation experience and have a strong reading comprehension skills in English. This costs $0.028 per task. 7. Speech evaluation. In this task, you will create and record English commands one would say to a conversational bot such as Siri and Alexa in the context given in order to have the bot to help carry out certain activities. This costs $1.63 per task. These are just some of the micro-tasks and projects the Appen offers. Every week or every month, they offer new tasks that you can apply to. What are the basic qualifications of becoming an Appen agent? First, you must be 18 years of age or above. Secondly, you must have a good internet connection. Lastly, you must have a good English comprehension skills. Every task in Appen will be delivered to you in English language and you just need to read the instructions given to you. Do you have all of these basic qualifications? Now, how do I become an Appen agent? 1. Click on the link below this video description. This will lead you to the Appen homepage for the job registration. 2. Choose what country you are from. 3. Choose from the drop-down your primary language and dialect if you know any. You can also add another language like the English language for Filipinos and its dialect. Then choose your spoken and written fluency from beginner to native or bilingual. Choose next if you've finalized all the details. 4. Check out the box assuming that you agree to the terms and conditions given by Appen. 5. Fill out the necessary information. Just a small reminder for you. All the details that you'd input to the form should be true and correct. You will be asked to input your first name, last name and your email address. Make sure that the email address that you'd input is active because the links for your tasks will always be delivered to your email. You'll be asked to create your password for your agent account, your home address and contact number. You can attach your resume in document, text, or PDF format. You'd be asked the years of your residency in your country, your highest educational attainment, and your qualifications as a linguist. If you have any, you'd be asked to choose between yes or no regarding some prior experiences questions, and you can also input who referred you to Appen. Check the box that certifies you are 18 years old or above. Review all the details and if you're sure about all the information you input, click the Submit application. Here's the page you'd be seeing if you're an Appen agent. You can see all the projects and their descriptions here. And you can click the button to qualify. Some tasks need more qualifications or test before you become a participant in that particular project. Reminders and tips for new Appen applicants. 1. Always read carefully the instructions and guidelines by Appen before answering any question. 2. All the details that you'd input should be true and correct. 3. The email address that you'd give to Appen should be active. Always check for emails from Appen. 4. Always give your best in answering tests in every task so you'd get qualified for it. Read the guidelines carefully. 5. When you receive this kind of email stating that you are currently in lineup for the project because of the large number of applicants and participants, don't be discouraged. Remember, in Appen, you should always be patient. One day, you can receive an email that you passed one of their projects. Believe me, it happened to me last April when I started being an Appen agent. Appen is a good opportunity to earn money online by simply doing simple tasks using your computer or cell phone. Don't miss an opportunity to just pass you by, grab it while you can. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this.